Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys iqoo mobile guys screen split setting, how to use. Friends, you want to use iqoo mobile screen split setting. So friends, now let's see how to use iqoo mobile screen split setting one by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your iqoo mobile you want to use screen split setting. So friends, open your device phone setting. After turn on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your iqoo mobile. Friends, in your iqoo mobile, scroll down here. Open your phone shortcut and accessibility setting. After turning on phone shortcut and accessibility setting, if you click here as capture setting, so friends, you can on three finger to take a screenshot setting. Slide down with three finger and you can take a screenshot in your iqoo mobile. And friends, if you click here smart split setting, so friends, click here split screen setting and you want to use screen split setting, slide up with three finger. Friends, slide up with three finger and you can use screen split setting. You can on split screen setting in iqoo mobile. Example friends, I will on YouTube app, and friends, you want to use split screen setting, so use your three finger, swipe up and you can use screen split setting in iqoo mobile. With YouTube app, you want to use Google app, file app, Play Store, message app, Chrome app, Gmail app, album, video, map, browser app, you can use it. Right side, if you swipe here, calculator, calendar app, game app, photos app, sheet app, you want to use, so you can use. Example friends, with YouTube app, I will on calculator app. So friends, you want to use calculator with YouTube app, so you can use it. And you can adjust volume. Also friends, you can adjust screen size, you can increase and you can decrease. So like that friends, you can use screen split setting in iqoo mobile. So friends, you can use screen split setting. So friends, now we will on Google app. Use your three finger, swipe up, YouTube app. So friends, with YouTube app, you want to use Google app, so you can on Google app and you can use it. And you can adjust screen size. You can increase your Google app screen, and you want to increase your YouTube app screen, so you can increase. So like that friends, you can use screen split setting in iqoo mobile. And friends, if you click here phone settings, so you cannot use screen split with phone setting. When swipe here friends, you can see screen split is not supported by the app. So like that friends, you can use screen split setting in iqoo mobile, and you don't want to use, open your phone shortcut setting, then friends click here and you can off your screen split setting. Now friends, you cannot use iqoo mobile screen split setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Do you have any doubt, have any problem in iqoo mobile setting, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.